出しゃばねってしかんですか。やっちゃってるけど。
Ich glaube, die haben die Brot verwechselt. Du hast mehr Chashu als ich. Ja. Naja.
That was Dashiro, and I'm here in Sendai today. You see Sendai station here in the back, and Dashiro is famous for their clam-based ramen, but they actually have quite a large menu with, if I remember correctly, flying fish ramen. They had some chicken-based stuff. They had a special gente tantan men. They had a wide variety of stuff. Actually, they also offer halal ramen, so you know, if you're Muslim and you want to eat some ramen here in Sendai, that's the place to go. They have a special button for that. They have vegetarian or I think even vegan ramen, so you know, you really can take all of your friends that you have there and everybody will find something for them. And of course I went for their most famous bowl, the clam-based ramen, and it really has like this light and nice clam flavor that you can only get from really nice fresh clams. What I really appreciated was that they gave you some kind of ajihen, some flavor change in the middle. You get some miso, and I think they mix it with some of the clam meat. Is that meat? I'm not sure. But they tell you like there's some on the side of the room you find some paper saying that you should just try the soup first as it is, and then over time mix in the miso and the clam meat to, you know, change the flavor and make it a little bit stronger as you go. I also really like those flat noodles. They reminded me a little bit of Italian pasta, but they really fit well with this style of ramen. The chashu was outstanding, really well prepared, and I think this ramen shop would even do quite well in Tokyo. So if you are in Sendai and you want to go for some good ramen and you don't want to go for something garlic heavy because they have a ramen gyro here in Sendai, then Dashiro definitely a good option for you and something you should check out. And that's all for me for today. Thanks for watching, and if you want to hear me talk about ramen a little bit more, check out the Ramen in Japan podcast, and yeah, leave a like and a comment down below what you want me to review in the future and talk about, and I'll see you guys in the next one.